I'll move to the fire. So if we're going to die, just go respawn me.
Immediately died.
Oh, it's broken. It's broken. Let's go, let's go! Woo!
Armband, you have 7 respawns.
No, it didn't work!
Watch your right.
More flex on it.
Guys, get in here!
No, unless that is a support weapon.
Watch the right, Elena. Watch the right. Elena, watch the right.
There's some guy in that building to the left. Straight ahead.
Fuck! Watch the right!
Are they down the alley, bro?
Gun hit! I mean in the school. That's the right side. They're in the school doorway.
Okay.
Only 14 minutes remaining, armbands. Only 14 minutes.
We need some more bands in here. Watch the school. Watch the school. You got him?
I don't know if I got it or not.
Hey, there's Spider-Man over here in the corner.
Fuck you. Come in, this building right here.
Yo, he's in there. Watch that shit. He's pegging him right by my fucking head. Nick, you up on that alley?
Yeah.
You watching it?
Only 12 minutes remaining, armbands. Only 12 minutes.
Woo! Holy shit!
Do not blind fire.
I just want to keep on fire. Do not do that ever again. You kidding me? Choose yourself a little more carefully, Nick.
Yo, you're good, you're good.
3 to 5 round back to the support weapon. 3 to 5. Steady! 3 to 5 round burst. You cannot go into the cell. You must stay on the outside. You have no respawns. Armbands are still in possession. Armbands, you do not have respawns.
Right here, right on the corner. Yo, right here on the left side on the red building. Watch it, watch it. Watch that, watch that. You got that?
Guys, get in there, get in there.
You got that corner? Can you see it?
Don't let them win uncontested.
Fuck you, Sean, let him win.
Can you see it?
Yo, you see anyone down there? You see anyone down there?
Like 1,000 people.
I get him?
Dick, you have one mag left? Maybe.
Save it. Somebody just got safety killed right here.
Got one.
Yo, watch right here.
Dude, you don't have your shower shell on you, do you?
No. They're right on the other side. Woo! Fuck!
Wait, someone in the...
In this school window! You got him?
Only 9.5 minutes remaining. Only 9.5 minutes remaining.
Holy shit, how did he not hit her?
Dead. I'm gonna pick all my shit up. Dead.
Dead people in the Pennzoil. Dead people in the Pennzoil.
Bring it quick, man.
Armbands are still in possession of the SHAMWOW.
Dead, come in!
Dead man coming to Main Street. Dead man coming to Main Street.
Okay.
Let's go, no bands, get in the Pennzoil.
Okay, you don't have to shoot me.